welcome back to Makeup Mistress. Well, today I'm back with another video. Well, today I'll be doing a one brand makeup tutorial. Well, I've come up with this look using all LA Girl products. All the products, whatever I have used is from LA Girl except the lipstick, because I don't know how I absolutely forgot about the fact that I had to buy a lipstick. Well, how can a girl forget about lipsticks? Anyway, I have done this Smokey eye thingy because this palette says that it is for the smoky thing. So the palette is this, and this says that it is LA Girl eyeshadow collection Smokey, and this is how it looks. The colors are gorgeous. The pigmentation is nice, but I would like to say that it is like little chalky. If I have to mark it in 10, then I'll definitely give it 7. So next up is the face palette. This is the Girl Blush Collection Glam, and they have their 3-4 variants, so I chose the Glam version for me. This is the highlighter. This is very beautiful, very beautiful. This is very gorgeous. And this is the bronzer. These two are the blushes. Well, I just love this palette. This is so amazing, guys. This is very, very, very good. And the foundations, good God, they are so matte. They are so matte. Like, people with oily skin problems, people who suffer from a lot of sweat, people who are really concerned about their sebum production, their oil, they are really afraid of putting makeup while they go to some occasion ceremony. Please get your hand on these. Like, firstly, I got this shade and this was so dark for me, and then I thought of buying this lighter one. So I got all these LA Girl products from HOK Makeup. Next up are the concealers. Like, what should I say more about them? They are already super hyped. Everyone on the internet is using these. So yeah, they are so cool, man. You can use them for dry skin, you can use them for combination oily, any skin type you are, you can definitely use them. Well, I quite like this primer. Well, this has a very smoothing effect. This is a silicone based primer. You can definitely use them if you have pores, if you have textured skin. Well, we all have textures, so it actually blurrifies those. So yeah, it is pretty good. I've used so much of it. You can see, like, so much of it is used. Next is the LA Girl brow pomade. Well, this is in the shade warm brown. Well, I thought that the warm brown will be the perfect one, so yes, it did. It will be suitable for a lot of skin tones, a lot of eyebrow shapes and shades, and yeah, so you understand what I mean. So yeah, this is quite creamy. This dries up really fast, so this is a very good thing that you can definitely use this during the summers. It is a very good eyebrow pomade, and this has 3 grams of product. Like, it's a lot of thing because you just need a tiny amount. So this is just love. But the only 2 things that I didn't like is one is the LA Girl Oomph Maximum Volume Mascara. Well, this has no volume. This has like nothing. I only like the wand because this is so thin that you can actually glide on like down there, because the hair is really thin and there is less, like, pretty scanty there, so you can just go right there. So yeah, I just like the wand. Other than that, this is just like more than one ordinary mascara. Like not even one ordinary. Like I don't know, there is no adjective that I could use for this. This is just 0. If I have to give a rating, I'll give 0 out of 10. 0. Not a good thing, not at all. Never buy this. And the worst part is this. This is LA Girl Glowing Up Highlighting Jelly. So, I was very enthusiastic about this product. It was like in a jelly form, one highlighter, and this is in the shade Princess Glow. So I thought it'll be like a great thing. But firstly, this is jelly. Definitely this is jelly. Like, it is in the jelly form. But once you apply, you get just water. You have nothing. Can you see? just a few bits and pieces of the mica. It is just nothing. If I even just scoop it out and just try to place it, just look at it. Like if I blend it, there'll be nothing left. Like this is not one highlighter. If you try to put it over your makeup, it'll move your makeup totally. So totally it's a not at all one wise decision to buy or use this. You can definitely use it on your body or idhar udhar wherever you want, but not on your face after the makeup, because not a good thing. Just look at this. This is sticking here and there, and just look at this. This is so random and very 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 messy. Like, not a good thing. I just bought it out of excitement, and not a good thing at all. So these were the two products that were the worst, but then yeah, rest illegal products are, yes, super 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 good. And yeah, let's just not waste any more time and just look how I created this look. So starting my makeup with the Elegant Pro Prep HD High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. Well, it has vitamin E in it. It is absolutely paraben free and fragrance free. It fills in your pores and reduces the appearance of fine lines. Next up is the Elegant Brow Pomade in the shade Warm Brown, and I'm using my Morphe eyebrow brush, which is very convenient. This product dries up really fast. You can go for swimming, you can go for outdoor shoot in the summer, so it will actually not move from your eyebrows. It will definitely stay there because it is totally matte, and this shade is absolutely love, and this actually dries up really quick, so you have to actually work really fast. And I absolutely loved it. The consistency is absolutely amazing, perfect for summertime oily skin people. So it's absolutely love. So next up is my concealer. I'm using again a Morphe brush for my concealer, and here I'm using the shade ivory, light ivory, just to clean my the brows so that it looks cleaner. And yeah, with that I'm just cleaning the eyebrow area, and then I'll just blend it up everything using the same concealer on my eyelid too, because to get the pop of color, it's necessary to create a base for it. It actually helps as a eyelid primer and everything of that sort. And these these concealers are really very good. And now I'm using my Wise She mini blender. These blenders are so amazing. You just need to wet them up and they will do their duty like a boss. I'm totally in love with these blenders, like the Wise She blenders. Please do get your hands on these. They are available on Nykaa. They absolutely give super duper deals also. I'm totally a fan of these blenders right now. And next up is this eyelid primer. This is black in color. This is so good. Oh my god, this is the Pro Primer HD High Definition Eyeshadow Primer, and this is in the color black. I'll just randomly apply it on my lid, and then I'll use my Wise She eyeshadow crease blending brushes. Well, these retail for 1200 rupees. Again, you'll get all these on the Amazon app, and they are so good, man. Today was the first time I was using these brushes, and I'm just smoking it out. And now I'm using the eyeshadow palette, which is the LA Girl eyeshadow collection Smokey, and I'm using this shade as a a priming shade, and then I'll use the dark shade, this blue shade, with my fingers to get the intensity. And now I'm using this brown shade to just blend everything nicely so that I get that hue of color. And now I'll use this highlighting shade on the inner corners, definitely to make my eyes look bigger and brighter. And on the brow bone area, so that it definitely gives a very great effect. And again, using all the brown shade on the lower lashes, just like that. And then I'm using this darker shade just to hide all the spots and zits and blemishes that I have. So this is a very cool trick that you can definitely try. Just use a concealer which is darker than your skin tone. It will actually do the necessity. I'm in the shade medium bisque. And now it's time for my favorite part, the foundations. These are the Pro Matte high definition long wear matte foundation. They are so good, man. They're super matte. They're so good. And again, I'm using my Vichy beauty blender. They are so amazing. And again, I'm using the shade light ivory, the Pro Conceal one, as a concealer to brighten my highest points, and then again blending with the same blender. Well, no rocket science. I'm just using the regular steps, but these products are so amazing. Now it's time for the LA Girl blush collection in the shade Glam, and I'm using the bronzer. It is so pigmented. It's so natural looking the face palette. I just love it. There is no smell, and the pigmentation is amazing. The colors are amazing. The range is so good. I'm using my PAC 130 brush here. I just love this brush. And now it's time for the blush, and I'm using just some random brush from Makeup Revolution. I just randomly got it like as a free thing. And now it's time for highlighter, and I'm using this regular brush which I got from a local store. And this highlighter is, oh my god, this is so amazing, isn't it? Well, it gives the exact highlighting effect that I need for myself. I totally love this palette. And this disastrous, oh god, mascara. Oh god, seriously, just the wand is amazing. Other than that, there is no maximum volume mascara. It's written, but there is nothing like that. Well, I forgot to get as any lip shade, so I'm using my favorite, like one of my favorite Smashbox Spoiler Alert, and this is the mini range. And yes, I just love this lip shade. This looks so beautiful. And yes, that was it. No, it's not that was it. I still need to get all the makeup that I did to be fixed, which is very important. And this makeup fixer of LA Girl is so great, guys. This is totally matte. This will actually keep your makeup stay matte for longer hours. I tried it on my brides too. Trust me, this is so amazing. Very good makeup fixer. Do try them, guys. All these products are tried and tested by me, and the products I told you that I didn't like, there is no biasness, as you all know. And yes, that was it, my one brand tutorial. And yeah, other than the lipstick, hope you liked it. I'll see you guys really soon with some new content, and do not forget to subscribe to Makeup Mistress. Do share my videos, and yes, stay gorgeous. I'll see you guys super soon. Bye. See you all. Bye.